Today we're going to do a verse of Palehua. I know, just a verse. This is a continuation to ukulele tutorial number 1 on my channel. And in that tutorial, we learned how to do the introduction strum to this beautiful song, Palehua. In the verse, I like to keep my tutorial short because of it gets to be a little bit too much for me personally when I'm checking out a tutorial and it goes on and on and on and on. There's all this information crammed into it, so I just like to do a little bit of it. I wanted to look at the first verse because there's something at the end of the verse that I think you would like to do. When you get into the verse itself, you can keep your strums simple. Just keep like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Ikahea maiana o Palehua e wahilani ha upuia u e puina ole ke kua hiwi kaulana vehe I kala ani. Simple. 1, 2, watch this. Nice, right? It's just a little thing you add at the end. Keep everything basic and simple and doable through the verse. But right at the end, on that last measure, that last C, you throw in a little extra something. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, da 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 da, da 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 da. Can you say that with me? Da 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 da. Now I'm gonna transfer that to your ukulele. Da. Wait. Let's do the whole measure. 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. I went down, up, down, up, down. Slow-mo. Down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. Nice, yeah? Let's do the last line. I mean. Vehe ikalani. Ready? Starting with the F chord. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Vehe ikala ani. 4. 1, 2, 3. Da da da. Yeah. Now that little thing, that little da 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 da, is interesting, and it kind of like brings the emotion of the feeling out of your ukulele, out of your instrument. It just kind of like brings this little push and drops you into the next verse, which is played the same way, really. So just go ahead and practice the first verse and the second verse. In the next video, I'll talk about what to do at the end of the second verse. Okay? Bye, guys.